Well, hello there. Oh, why did I do my hand like that? Hello, how are you? I'm Daisy Doll. If you're new here, if you're not new, oh my gosh, so glad you came back to hang out with me. If you're a new subscriber, OMG, welcome to the party, okay? Once in a while, I'll find myself at the Dollar Tree and I was just like, you know what are some of the travel like must-haves? What are some of the travel things that they actually have that could save you a good buck? It's gonna be like the perfect sidekick to whatever else you happen to get for your travel. The first thing I have for you are these Arm & Hammer toilet, what? Did I say toilet? Oh my God. The first item we have is actually these Arm & Hammer Essentials deodorant toilettes. Here they are. I did find these at the Dollar Tree. These are a couple of different scents here. So this is clean water and this is Simply Fresh. Look at this. Just look at that. And the packaging is just so beautiful. It's a name brand. I use some of their products. I feel like this is definitely a great find. Arm & Hammer used their naturally sourced baking soda, soothing aloe vera, and chamomile. And it's supposed to really help like leave your skin feeling clean, refreshed, your body. It's kind of interesting thinking about it because I'm like, oh, so if you haven't taken a shower, but you kind of want to take, no. These are no substitute for showers, so don't say I said that. I would say carrying something like this just helps you feel extra fresh. You know, like you could take a moment, go to the bathroom, refresh, freshen up before you land in your next destination. So the next travel must-have for me from the Dollar Tree store, pretty much it's a big gem to find because when I first originally got these, I actually got it on Amazon, not knowing that Dollar Tree sold it. What am I talking about? Compression socks. You need compression socks, okay? When you're traveling, when you're constantly on your feet, when you're constantly on the go, it's easy for your feet to get tired, swollen. I was like, you know what? This coming trip, I'm just gonna buy some new ones and make sure that I'm wearing them to the airport, wearing them on the plane. I suggest getting these compression socks for what? $1.25. Are you freaking kidding me? So looking at the one that I got on Amazon, it costs anywhere between $14.99 to $20.99. They're knee-high compression socks. It fits size 5 to 9 shoes. If you're someone who like, you know, tends to like swell a lot or your feet hurts and whatnot, get these. I'm done. Get them already, okay? Here's this one. It's a phone stand that you can use to keep your phone upright, like, you know, when you're on the plane. And some airplanes now, they just don't have any screen for you to watch. Like, you're literally, you know, on your own. Sometimes you download like things off of Netflix or Hulu or, you know, whatever streaming apps you have, right? You download it to your phone and then you have it with you on the go to watch at the airport, on the plane. Now, this stand pretty much helps you have a place to put your phone when you are watching those things, right? So in the back, it kind of like gives you a little demonstration, like you can put your phone standing upright like that, or you could bend your phone sideways and you could be able to enjoy your show, right? I would say the fun thing about this is it comes in different colors. So I chose this one because it's fun, it's summery. The next thing that I got super excited to find, OMG, this. Yeah, I found this at the Dollar Tree. So this is called the Office Word Search with quips and quotes. Now, who hasn't seen The Office, right? I feel like most people know the show The Office. I feel like this is a fun activity to do. It's basically, you know, like a puzzle book, but also a coloring book. As you see right here, it has all our favorite Office characters. In the first page, they're already giving you, so this side is more of like a coloring side, and then this side is more of like the puzzle side. And all of these puzzles are related to things from the office. It's like related to the location or related to the characters, including favorite quotes. Oh my gosh, they even have Mindy Kaling, I think is her name. And then they do like a puzzle just dedicated to her character right here. The other thing that I did want to show you is these earbuds. These earbuds are something else. So we do have our regular, you know, go-to earphones, earbuds that we normally take with us or have on us. But the thing is, why is it when we're traveling, we tend to forget certain things, right? Like we're so used to having it on us, and then when we're now about to go on the trip, it's like, oh my gosh, I forgot my phone, forgot my headphones, I forgot my earpiece. No, I did say I forgot my phone because I saw another vlog where someone literally forgot their phone. What I like about this being like a Dollar Tree travel essential is, you know, when you're picking up stuff already that you need for your trip, I would say just grab one of these. Grab it, empty it out of the packet, toss it in your personal item bag or your carry-on luggage, because where it really comes in handy is when you're on the plane. And again, they don't give you the option where they actually provide you with headphones to listen to stuff. Like they'll be like, yeah, we're giving you a screen. Okay, well, where's the headphones at? And yeah, again, it is a basic headphone, but guess what? At least you have something, right? Something is better than nothing. Like imagine being at your seat, you know, on the airplane and you're like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot my headphones. And then it's like, oh wait a minute. I have these. Abracadabra. You know what? I'm just gonna whip that out. I'm gonna use it to at least just enjoy a few things, enjoy a few shows before I get to my destination. Definitely this is a gem. Don't count it out. You could say, screw that, I'm just gonna buy headphones at the airport. Do you know how much those are? At my last trip, I found out, okay? It was like 45 to 50 bucks and up. The supermarket at the airport is pretty pricey, it's pretty bougie. If you wanna spend a bougie coin, sure, go ahead. But why go through all that when you could have just had this in your personal item bag? So another thing that I did find that I thought was pretty good, basically travel bottles. So like bottles you would put in your toiletry bag, that's what this is. You could definitely put like your lotion, your soap, your body wash, you know, body oil. I love that it comes in threes, so you have a few options to work with. I would definitely highly recommend that when you're at the Dollar Tree, make sure you pick this up because it's gonna come in handy. So these bad boys right here, these are antibacterial wipes. These can be used because they're antibacterial. You can use them to wipe your hands. You know, when you're traveling, you're grabbing this, grabbing that, touching this, going to the bathroom, doing all sorts of things. And you're around so many different people, right? So it's easy to feel like slightly germophobic. So these have vitamin E, aloe. They definitely put a sign on here that says you should not flush. Don't be clogging up the airport bathroom, okay? Like nobody wants that. But these are for your hands and for your face. It says ideal for traveling, moisturizing. They are thick and soft, and they also have a fresh scent. These are trash bags. You're getting out of clothes, into clothes when you're traveling. It's like, where do you keep the dirty stuff? I get it. Sometimes you might be able to do laundry while you're at your trip, but sometimes you don't. So then what happens to the dirty items? Your dirty socks, your dirty you know what? So this is kitchen drawstring bags, and it actually has like 13 bags inside of it. Honestly, for your trip, depending on how long, I would just recommend take 2 or 3, stuff it into your suitcase, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. So it's somewhat of a hack. Like if you don't have a dedicated laundry bag, you could just use this. So as summer approaches, I keep wanting to get like sunglasses and shades, but I noticed at the Dollar Tree, they have a grip. They have a variety, like versatile options for you to choose. So I was like, you know what? Especially now that it's summertime, it's easy to like, you know, need your shades when you're out there. Sometimes when you're traveling, you don't want to take your like $300 pair of glasses, right? So these are the glasses that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Oh my God, look at how gorgeously amazing it looks, right? I think it's really beautiful. I really love this somewhat cheetah pattern that it has going on. Allegedly, these are ultraviolet, right? They have ultraviolet protection in them. So, you know, I'm gonna trust that Dollar Tree is not gonna do me dirty and be telling me that these are ultraviolet protection and they're not. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let me try these on really quickly. Ooh, who's that girl? La 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 la. Is that girl? When you get this from the Dollar Tree, just like the headphones, it's just one of those things you just like toss right into your personal item bag without even thinking about it. When I got this, I was like, let me also get an eyeglass cord to like hang the glasses off of. I don't know, I was just maybe being a little extra. This is a glasses case, like an eyeglass case. So I would just take this, put this in here, and we're good to go. I already have a case to make sure that my eyeglasses from the Dollar Tree are protected. They think of everything. Now, while I was talking of having antibacterial wipes, I was like, well, wait a minute. What about your immune system? This is pretty much vitamin C drops. It's easy to feel like, you know, when you're around a lot of people, especially when you're traveling, you know, you're in a congested plane, you're at a congested airport, depending on the season. But I feel like nowadays, the airports are just packed in general, right? And you want to make sure your immune system is up. Now, I'm not saying this is like a substitute for your vitamins. Definitely not. Definitely make sure you're taking all your vitamin C, all your vitamins before you go on your trip, right? But these I feel come in handy as well because they have a certain amount of vitamin C in there, and vitamin C is really known to help with protecting your immune system and ready to combat any BS and ready to fight, you know, for you out in those airport streets. I forgot to mention this, but it actually has 53 milligrams of vitamin C per drop, and these are citrus flavor drops. It comes with 30 drops in this one pack. I did find this Tag men's brand wipes. You know I've showed you wipes, right? I've showed you so many wipes, but if you're looking for something that has more of that like Tag scent for men, this is what I recommend. So these are Tag deodorizing face and body wipes enriched with aloe vera, vitamin E, and chamomile. These are pre-moistened, these are disposable, and you know, you could use it to gently cleanse your skin, and you could use it all over your body. You're on the go, right? It's nice to have something that makes you feel fresh, makes you feel clean, and also makes you smell good, right? Who doesn't want to smell good? Okay, yeah, I thought I heard something. I recommend this. Dollar Tree, $1.25. Hello, I cannot forget the snacks. Now, sometimes when we're traveling, it's just so hard to like decide like, what can I bring as snacks? We all know the snacks on the plane is garbage, right? I mean, tell me if it's not, okay? Like, I had pretzels the last time. In fact, they ran out of the basic Biscoff cookies that they typically have. They were like, oh yeah, sorry, we don't have them. Here are these dry pretzels. Dry, basic, generic pretzels. For me anyway, I do like to carry some extra goodies, some extra snacks, you know, something to munch on to keep the flight interesting and moving along, right? So I did find this Russell Stover sugar-free chocolate candy. Chocolate caramel, yum. This is gonna be so bomb. Like, everybody on the plane is gonna be so jealous while they're eating their pretzels. You're gonna be eating this. This actually comes with only 3 pieces in it, which is good, you know, so you don't feel like you're like, you know, you don't feel too guilty about having like chocolate with caramel, but it's also sugar-free and they use stevia as a sugar substitute. Now, these are Albanese world best gummies. I feel like everybody has seen this somewhere, like at your local supermarket, your local bodega. This is actually top notch. I really like this brand. Now, I think the gummies in here are like the sour gummies, but these are so good. I haven't had the sour ones, but I've had the regular ones. These are so delicious. Definitely something I recommend that you have in your personal item bag as part of your snack package as you travel on your trip. Now, the other snack I would suggest is this. They actually had different flavors. This is the Wiley Wallaby licorice for licorice lovers. I know this is like one of those like well-known brands, and I would recommend grab one of these for your trip. They actually had a couple of different flavors. I think they had like a blueberry pomegranate. I think they had even a lemon type of flavor. Let me show you up close what it actually looks like. Wow. It looks like it's gonna be super yummy. Now, I know you're like, well, wait, all the snacks you grabbed are candy. Like, is there anything to crunch on? Those dry pretzels. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to eat the dry pretzels. Look, there are a plethora of snacks at the Dollar Tree. So that wraps up my Dollar Tree travel essentials must-haves video with a few tricks, a few tips. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, because when you subscribe, when you share, when you like, when you comment, YouTube basically pushes this video out and it lets people know like, hey, this is the place to be. You know, this is where the party's at. I guess I will talk to you in my next video. All right, bye.